Dealers tell us the #1 reason they send their staff to the NADA show is workshops. This year, 24 of the workshops are being led by NADA staff experts. Workshop tracks include fixed ops, leadership, and marketing. New in 2020, Digital Super Track, which focuses on best internet and data practices. Favorite topics like regulatory updates, HR, and variable ops will be back, along with the Distinguished Speaker Series, Super Sessions, and of course, the Exchange. Ask yourself who on your staff can benefit from these courses and bring this new knowledge back to your store. Find out more about workshops at the 2020 NADA show in Las Vegas at nadashow.org.